Well, welcome to the Botanical Medicine Study course with me, your instructor and host, Stephanie Georgieff. For my longtime subscribers, you've seen all sorts of information on various plants, and you also know that I have a Substack right now, and I'm branching out to podcasts, and I also have the Living Pharmacy from Seed to Body to Soul, which is live now on Teachable. And this is a deep dig, and it's all about clinical herbalism. But when I was formulating the course, I really wanted to put in a philosophy part, and it just would have made the course too long. And not everybody wants to know about the philosophy as well. But this course that I am proposing that you take advantage of is all about the philosophy and the inspiration behind why we all should be, first of all, turning to nature for our healing, but how botanical medicine fits into that. And what I'm calling this course, which is live now on Teachable, it's called Creation Centered Herbalism. And this really is a synthesis of inspirations from creation centered spirituality, from ancient mystics, from different spiritual traditions, and also from esoteric Christianity and anthroposophy. And I find it endlessly fascinating and inspiring. And so, what is creation centered herbalism? And it's basically honoring and recognizing the divinity and spirit that's inherent in nature, and also looking at the relationship that humanity has with nature and with divinity. So it's a very comprehensive course in that kind of philosophy, which is inherent actually in different traditions, such as traditional Chinese medicine, which is based on Taoism, Ayurvedic medicine, which is based on Hinduism, and the ancient practices in Greece, and all indigenous practices. It doesn't matter what it is, there is this spiritual component. So, what is creation centered spiritual herbalism? It's based on these four pillars. It's awe and gratitude for nature. It's the via positiva. It's the via negativa, which is silence and observation, which leads to understanding. It's the via creativa, which is building relationship with nature. And then the via transformativa, which is applying plants as medicine based on observation and with relationships with nature that helps transform humans and the earth. When you are ill, it's a sign that you're out of balance, not only within your own self, but also with nature. So, this is the philosophy behind restoring that relationship with nature, and it's based on modern approaches. It's not negating these wonderful traditional knowledge base, in different traditions, but we're, modern people, and this is an approach to that. So, what's in the course? Here's an overview. There are 9 modules, and you can see it here. There's a welcome, introduction, and going through these different aspects of the 4 pillars. But we also delve into the cosmic Christ, and we also look at the divine Sophia, which are really important if you want to have any type of understanding of the spirit behind certain types of approaches to botanical medicine. Then, the creativa, the transformativa, and then we integrate everything, and we also have obviously suggestions for the path forward. And sometimes people are a little hesitant in various faith traditions. They feel that somehow it's paganism or it's witchcraft. And there's nothing wrong with paganism and the things that many people recognize as witchcraft as really ancient Druid practices. So this is an approach that is not for everybody, but for some of us, you might find it useful. So let's start that journey towards wholeness. Let's the journey towards wholeness begin. And we can do that by learning all about Creation Centered Herbalism. It's live now on Teachable. If you click the link in the program notes, you can start that journey towards wholeness with nature. So this is Stephanie Georgiev saying thank you so much for your valuable time. I hope you want to take this journey. I found it incredibly inspiring, and it's completely available right now on Teachable. So this is Stephanie Georgiev saying thanks again, and until our next session, be well.